Hey, good morning, John Roberts. This is Eric. Happy Labor Day. Well, I've spent a number of hours again this weekend on this, trying to figure out the alignment. I had another video that I recorded on Friday night, I believe, and it was showing that the alignment was pretty far off when you put the tube through the axles. I've continued to work on it and increase the, not necessarily size, but elongated the holes even further on the front bracket. And I feel like I've been making progress. However, there's one thing that I just can't seem to be able to get around. If you look at what I've done here on the back strut, or the back bracket, I've used that clamp to hold the bracket in place. And so if I want to have it aligned with the edge of the fuselage, as you can see, you can't see it right now, but as I grab underneath and pull it a little bit, there you can see the black line where it should be. I should be able to just make it in line that way. That way, make sure that if I got adequate metal when I drill the hole through the sleeve on the inside of the fuselage tube, if that makes sense. When I pull it out like that and try to insert the tube through the axle, it doesn't, I can ultimately get it, but it's not easy. It doesn't nicely fit. That was the left side. On the right side, you'll notice that in its natural state, this edge of the back bracket sticks out. And if I go to shove it in, which I really can't do, I cannot put it all the way under or in the same location as the left. And of course, as I'm pushing that in this way, it's putting pressure because it's pushing the axle that way. So it's pushing the hole back and making it rotate. Now, while I've got the room and the holes to accommodate that rotation, but then that totally messes up the alignment of this versus the other axle. I do have the V-brace in there, and as a result of adjusting the holes more, I'm able to install that underneath the fuselage once the legs are on, which is helpful. But that's kind of where I'm stuck. I don't know, there's not much else to do when I change the direction of the axle by that back bracket, shoving it one way or the other. Of course, it changes the direction of the axle, and then my pole is completely out of alignment. And if I change this one, and I change the one on the other side, then they're both off. So they're parallel to one another, but I can't get the tube through at all. So I just want to give you that update. I hope you're having a good time wherever you're at. I will put this into either an email or onto my website. Thanks, take care.